Today's video is brought to you by our friends at Shipmate app and cruiseline.com. Shipmate app just rolled out a new feature where you can write a comprehensive review about all aspects of your cruise directly in the app. Just launch the app, click My Cruises, select your sailing, and start your review.
Hey cruisers, okay, let's just get this right out there up front. We are not pro photographers. I'm not even sure we qualify as amateur photographers, but hey, we have lots of experience taking cruise photos and we have lots of fun doing it. These are just a few things we've found that make our photos better, or at least more fun. If you are a pro photographer, well, no, you don't even have to be a pro. Let's just say, if you have photography tips, please feel free to add them in the comments below. Wouldn't it be great if we could all just help each other out with great tips? That's what we're trying to accomplish here on CruiseTipsTV. But I digress. Okay, first tip, go for the action. Posed photos are so, well, posed. Unless you're going for the stiff posed look, shake things up and get your subject moving. Grab the action shot. Your cruise photos should be a reminder of what you are doing, having fun. So have fun with your photos. Instead of asking your friends and family to stop for a photo, just let them keep doing what they're doing and take a few shots. Keep it light and get your subject smiling. Genuine smiles are always better than those say cheese smiles. Number 2, if you're like me, you have got feet. Mine are really small, but I can still use them to get closer to my subject. The point I'm trying to make is avoid using the zoom. The zoom lens will typically engage a slower shutter speed to allow more light. Well, this increases the chance of blurring, which can be super problematic indoors. Always be safe though, and pay attention to where your feet are taking you. Number 3, check the background before taking a shot. Look for unwanted objects in the photo like trash cans, poles, trees, signs, harsh sunlight, and things you just don't want in your photo. If you see anything behind your subject that, well, just doesn't look right, try taking a few steps to the left or the right. A step in either direction could save you a hasty trip to the delete button. Always be on the lookout as well for a potential photo bomber. Number 4, buy the biggest memory card you can afford. Prices for memory cards have come way down and sizes have gone way up. There's no excuse for running out of space for your photos. The larger the card you have, the more photos you can take. We usually take 2 cards for each camera just in case. So how does this help you take better vacation photos? Well, the more shots you take, the more chance you have to get that once-in-a-lifetime shot. So what if you had to take 1,000 shots to get that perfect one? That's my philosophy anyway. Number 5, if your camera has a flash, give it a whirl. You'd be surprised how much you can change a photo with a smartly enabled flash, even in daylight. You gotta get to know your flash. Take some time before you leave for your trip to experiment with it. Now, a lot of times your camera, though, will try to pop up the flash when it simply isn't needed, and this can often ruin a shot, washing out your subject, creating some harsh shadows and red eyes. Find out also how to manually turn it off and on. Sometimes turning the flash on, even on a sunny day, can really bring a shot to life. For example, if you have a subject with unflattering shadows on their face, try manually turning on your flash. You'll be surprised at some of the great looks you can create with this technique. All right, little bonus tip. Sometimes it's all in the timing. Morning and evening light can be golden and beautiful. The 20 minutes just before sunrise and right after sunset is magic because the fading daylight balances with the artificial lights, making colors pop. If you have to take photos in the middle of the day, try to shoot with the sun behind you, the photographer, not the subject, and don't forget about the flash trick. We hope this video helps you take better photos on your cruise, or at least have more fun trying. Thanks for watching. Oh, and thank you for leaving your photo tips in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.